How to secretly hide apps on iPhone on iOS 26 without deleting the apps is super easy. So let's take a look at any of these apps here that you want to hide, like this one. So tap on it and hold for a few seconds. Then tap require face ID. It comes up like this. Tap the second one, hide and require face ID. Then this require face ID. Then tap on hide button again. Then that's apps has been hidden. You cannot find it here, even on the search suggestion. Like Bybit, let's tap on it. It will not come up here, come out here. Even Siri could not even get it. Now, this app is still in your device, but it's under the file library and is under the session hidden. So you have to tap on this and provide your screen face lock, your face ID to unlock it, then tap on it. You'll be able to access this app by providing all the other important information. So to unlock this app now, to send it back to the home screen, tap on hold for a few seconds, then tap on add to home screen button, then Bybit, this app will be visible again on your home screen, then tap on hide. So the apps will come back. That's all the simple process, guys, on how to completely hidden your apps on your iPhone and bring it back whenever you want. If you enjoyed this tip and if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.